Good afternoon, ladies, fellow diamond painters. Excuse me, it's DP Crazy Lady here. It's 2:34 p.m. It is Tuesday, the 28th, April 2026, and my Paint Some Way came. The last time I had checked, which was this morning, said it was still in Illinois. There was no update, but I happened to look outside just a few minutes ago, and there it is, right there on the step. This was shipped on the 21st, so that's pretty quick. 7 days later, boom, it's here. That I'm sorry, but that's fantastic to me. So this is Paint Some Way. I'm going to show you what I have gotten. The first thing is a painting. Let's see. This is a 40 by 70. And I picked this because being here in Hawaii, in Ohio, the weather is so screwy. I hope you're able to see this because this is hard to get this camera to where it's supposed to be. And I only have so much space, so we'll have to scroll the painting in order for you to be able to see it. So, okay, I'm going to roll this backwards first. Sorry for the delay on it, but I'm excited about this one. Like I said, in Ohio, the weather changes. But, we had snow. I told you one day last week that it didn't stay, but it was there. And then we get warm weather, and now we're getting storms, rain, 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 rain. So I thought this would be perfect for me to paint because I might as well get ready. You never know when it can happen again. So this says Merry Christmas. It's a 40 by 70. It's 23 colors. And it is a Santa with his kitty. I thought this was really, really nice. I hope that I'm showing it to you. Here, I'll see if I can get a good view of the cover picture. God, I hope I'm getting this in here. But it is adorable. I really like it. And the lettering is good. Oh yeah, the stickiness is really good. Oh, the kitty has such beautiful eyes. I hope you're seeing this. Please let this be viewed because it is really, really nice. The lantern, Santa's face. But the lettering is really, really good. So like I said, it's a 40 by 70 and 23 colors. And this is Paint Some Way. One more view here, if this will come in. There you go. This is really nice. The material is good. As per usual with Paint Some Way, and I've done a few of theirs. So this is something I'm going to really enjoy. So that's the first item. I have one more item. I've never seen these in person, so I don't know what they look like. Oh, they look pretty good. Okay, I have always said, I mean, I have some smaller um, uh, trays, drill trays and stuff. But this was, I saw this and thought, this is fantastic. They come in a pack of 3, 5, or 7. And I got the 5. And these are, I think these would be perfect if you're doing, if you decide that you want to run it this way so you can see. If you want to, if you're doing confetti, each one of these little trays, I have to see how they open. I'm not even familiar with them. Okay, they just open up there. There's your little bitty tray. I mean, this is tiny. This is tiny. And there's your little clip. I have fingernails. It's hard for me to get these out. But they do come out. I'm having a hard time myself getting them. I can't get it out with my fingernails. Isn't that awful? There we go. See, I'm just having a difficult time because of my fingernails. But this blocks it so that the drills, don't pop out while you're using it. And I thought these would be great for like either the confetti that you do, or when you're doing your little coasters and there's only like maybe 5 or 6 different colors or whatever it is, you can just put these in here rather than, and then you could label them if you wanted to. and it has it to where you can, set them up like this so that they're setting, right where you want them. And like I said, they come in a set of 3, 5, and 7. And nice little setup, that they're individually, they're really nice. These are really nice. I really like these. These are going to come in handy for me to do my coasters that I have, or for the confetti that I'm having, even on this Santa painting. But these, I think you guys need to go there and invest in these. I'm serious. They're well made. I can't get it big. They're well made. Like I said, they come in a set of 3, 5, and 7. I've got the 5 set. Very pretty colors. I mean, they feel like they're and I'm sure they are, the 3D printed. These are really nice. I really like these. I'd like to get some more. If I can invest in some more, I'd like to get them. So these are the little mini trays that I had gotten. And then the Santa. Merry Christmas. The Santa with his kitty from Paint Some Way. I'll have the links and stuff in the description below. You need to visit them. You need to look over their paintings, their accessories, drill pens, trays. I mean, these are very well made. These look very, very well made. So, invest in them. I mean, it's nice to have them all in one set. And I think you'll enjoy them. So, well, that's the end of the video, y'all. I'm hoping that you're having a good week. I will see you in a few days with progress on this or anything else. So you have a good one. Visit Paint Some Way, and I'll get back with you later, ladies. Hugs. Love you all. DP Crazy Lady, I'm out.